Sounds. Sounds of EMI. Once more, it's Sounds of EMI, and this is Kevin Golsby saying welcome again, all round Australia, to the brightest and best in popular music. Hi, it's great to be with you again. We've got lots of music stored up. And in the show this week, highlights and hits from Summer Holiday.
We're all going on a summer holiday. No more working for a week or two. Fun and laughter on our summer holiday. No more worries for me or you. For a week or two. We're going where the sun shines brightly. We're going where the sea is blue. We've seen it in the movies. Now let's see if it's true. Everybody has a summer holiday, doing things they always wanted to. So we're going on a summer holiday to make our dreams come true, for me and you.
Summer Holiday, the big bright new Technicolor CinemaScoper, filmed in France and in glorious Athens, starring Cliff Richards and the Shadows.
We're going where the sun shines brightly. We're going where the sea is blue. We've seen it in the movies. Now let's see if it's true. Everybody has a summer holiday, doing things they always wanted to. So we're going on a summer holiday to make our dreams come true, for me and you.
Summer Holiday sure looks like a lot of fun, and the tracks we play are from the Columbia album released this week. So, what say we trace the summer holiday of these four London transport bus mechanics who turn an old London bus into a mobile home for a traveling holiday across Europe.
What? Got this bus, London Transport said okay.
Okay? Okay to what?
Okay to use this bus for transport on a holiday. They're with it.
With what?
With the plan I outlined to them today.
What plan? That's right, what plan?
We can do it one step back or so away. Seven days to a holiday, and there's such a lot to do. Come on, fellas, it's up to you. We're in an awful stew. Get us out of this spot. Are you with us or not?
Yeah.
6 days to a holiday, and this bus must look like new. Shiny bright as a birthday gift. Give it a real facelift and its body the sheen of a top beauty queen.
The idea is to make the trip without an accident, so that they can apply to buy other old buses and then form a holiday bus company. It's a great idea, but these plans are quickly upset. You see, when driving along a French road, the boys smash into an old rattletrap driven by three of the most attractive female vocalists. Wouldn't you know it?
So ride with us, come ride with us. Better be allied with us. bus. Here's an offer that is quite bona fide. We are pleading, please, and asking you for a ride.
Yes, the three girls become passengers. And that's when the trouble really starts. Passing through Paris, they get another passenger, a famous singing star this time, who's run away from the theater and, dressed as a boy, smuggles herself aboard the bus. Completely taken in by her appearance, Cliff warns her never to get mixed up with girls.
When I was young, my father said, son, I have something to say. And what he told me I'll never forget until my dying day. He said, son, you are a bachelor boy, and that's the way to stay. Son, you be a bachelor boy until your dying day. When I was 16, I fell in love with a girl as sweet as can be. But I remember just in time what my daddy said to me. He said, son, you are a bachelor boy, and that's the way to stay. Son, you be a bachelor boy until your dying day. As time goes by, I probably will meet a girl and fall in love. Then I'll get married, have a wife and a child, and they'll be my turtle doves. But until then, I'll be your bachelor boy, and that's the way I'll stay. Happy to be your bachelor boy until my dying day. But until then, I'll be your bachelor boy, and that's the way I'll stay. Happy to be your bachelor boy until my dying day.
Never get mixed up with girls. You can guess what happens. Barbara's identity eventually comes out, and it's not long before she and Cliff are swinging.
Us will be a swinging affair. We won't be tied. We'll be as free as air. For we won't care what tomorrow brings. It'll be just one of those swinging things. Ours will be a swinging affair. We will just be a very casual pair. For love won't make us an April fool. Now we've both decided we'll play it cool.
Sounds of EMI, and these are highlights from Summer Holiday. And so they reach their destination, Athens, where they're promptly arrested for kidnapping. But Athens is the city of l'amour. And they soon get themselves out of that one.
You must must have heard of a little Bo Peep. She was the gal with all the sheep. Well, one day, it's sad to say, the sheep all ran away. She was lonely and she was blue. She was sad and crying too. So I told her what to do. I said, put on your dancing shoes. Put on your dancing shoes. Put on your dancing shoes. Put on your dancing shoes and dance away your blues. Yeah. A friend of mine had an accident. Laughed so hard off the wall he went. Humpty Dumpty was his name. I guess you've heard the same. He was lying on the ground, bits and pieces all around. So I told him what to do. I said, put on your dancing shoes. Put on your dancing shoes. Put on your dancing shoes. Put on your dancing shoes and dance away your blues. I'm sure you know about Jack and Jill. They're the ones that went up the hill. Jack fell down and broke his crown. Jill came tumbling after. What a noise their crying made. It was a ringing through the glade. So I told them what to do, and I changed their tears to laughter. Put on your dancing shoes. Put on your dancing shoes. Put on your dancing shoes. Dance away your blues. Put on your dancing shoes. Put on your dancing shoes. Put on your dancing shoes.
Cliff Richard's The Shadows' Dancing Shoes. And so, with all their problems solved, with true love finally winning through, and a telegram from the London Transport saying they'll let the boys have their buses for the holiday scheme, a real summer holiday is about to begin. What about the three girl singers? They wanted to go to Athens anyway. Summer Holiday, starring Cliff Richards on Columbia. Released this week. That's all now. See you next time.